The Shark ION P50 cord-free powered liftaway comes equipped with 3 filters, 2 pre-motor filters and 1 HEPA filter. To keep your vacuum suction power optimal, perform regular maintenance on your filters. First, remove the battery before performing any maintenance on your vacuum. To access and clean the pre-motor filters, slide down the filter door release button, then remove the filter door. Next, remove the filter from the pod by pulling on the tabs on the filter frame. Slide the foam filter off of the filter frame and then rinse both with water only. Allow the filters to air dry for 24 hours. When the filter is dry, push the foam filter back down onto the frame. Then, reinstall the filter door. Cleaning the HEPA filter is simple as well. To remove, pull up on the tab. Some force may be required as there is a tight seal around the HEPA filter. Rinse the HEPA filter with water only, then let it air dry for 24 hours. Once dry, reinsert filter into vacuum.